Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, here I have my beautiful client. Okay, today's tutorial is going to be all about how I created this amazing look for my client for a baby shower. Okay guys, it's just going to be more of like a baby shower look. Okay, so I finished applying face primer on her face. Now I just applied a face corrector in orange color, which is also from LA Girl. So the next step guys, I'm going to be applying the face foundation from CK. So I'm just going to blend until everything is perfectly blended. So the next step, I'm going to be highlighting the areas that I will be baking later, that I'm going to be setting later. So I'm also using my highlighter from LA Girl in the shade Pure Beige. Alright guys, stay tuned, don't go anywhere, so that you'll be able to pick one or two things from this tutorial which will be able to enable you to do your makeup. Okay, alright guys, I will see you all later. Now guys, I'm just going to be using a powder brush to blend in all the products into our skin. Okay, so as you can see, I'm blending to make the skin flawless. So the next step I'm going to be doing guys, because as you can see, I'm already done using my liquid contour and my dry contour. I've already used the face blush. Okay, so now I'm just blending in all the product. The next step, I'm going to be using a translucent powder on her nose and under her eye, the area I highlighted before, just to make that place pop out a little bit. Okay, as you can see what I'm doing right now, I'm using this translucent powder from my powder palette, V powder palette. Okay, so the next step, I'm just going to move right into the eyebrows. This is where the work is guys. So you know that when you are done with the face, you just have to move right into the brows. So now I'm using my eyebrow tamer to tame my brows, like to kind of make it smooth, to give it that look before I actually use my pencil to draw the brows. So right now I'm going to go in right to use my David's pencil in the shade 18 to draw the line, and then I just kind of create my strand. You know, these days my brows are kind of different. I don't do that dark brows anymore. I just give it that line, then do the strand in the middle of the brow. So now I'm just using my concealer, which is also from LA Girl, to maintain the brows. All right, stay tuned guys, I'll see you all later. So guys, for my eyeshadow, I'm going to be using a dark blue eyeshadow. Then I'm going to be using that in the middle. Then for the inner corner, I'm going to be using a nude eyeshadow. Then for my outer corner, I'm going to be using a dark brown to do my outer corner, okay? Then later on, I'm going to be applying a blue glinter on the dark blue eyeshadow, just to give it that little bit of pop. So that is majorly for the eyeshadow. Those are the three colors that I will be using: my dark blue, my glinter, and then my nude color for the inner corner. Then later I'm just going to use my dark brown for the outer corner. All right guys, so that is it for the eyeshadow. guys, this is the final look of our makeup today. What do you guys think about this baby shower look, and what's your favorite part of this look? So guys, this hair I also styled it, okay? I hope I tried. I am not a hairstylist, but let me know in the comment section below if I did well styling this hair. This look is absolutely gorgeous. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I will see you all in my next video. Thank you guys for the love. Thank you for the support. I love you all. Bye bye.